TEM stock analysis. This is for tomorrow and onward. So in this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Tempus AI is a buy or not for me. Look, I've been in the market for 5 freaking years and have done 41,000 videos. So I have seen what's working for me and what's not, especially now with TEM, which in this case, you know, beforehand I bought, which is pretty nice here. And guess what? I do have the proof to back it up. So that's why I'm showing you the proof. And then how I'm looking to double down here yesterday was looking to buy yet again. Today was a kind of a it was just like a 1% down day, so a little correction, not much. But like 3 days ago, it's when I really called it out, when it was sitting at 55 bucks. And since then we're up, we were 63 almost. So sticking to it. It's obviously not financial advice. By the way, I do have a lot of previous TEM receipts as well. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.